I just got on Twitter, y'all, and look what's trending. I don't know when I should flip them. He said 5 to 7 minutes. Those look smack.
Super golden on the top.
Kennedy, Cymone. Kennedy, Cymone. She the baddest, ooh. Looking killer, ooh. Represent the crew with Kennedy, Cymone.
What is up, King Killers? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Why you looking at me like that? In today's video, y'all, we are gonna be making the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. I just got on Twitter, y'all, and look what's trending. The chicken sandwich. So I guess that means it's back at Popeyes. I guess they got it back in stock. So I was like, why not just try to make it at home? I looked up the ingredients, looked up the recipe. We gonna try to cook it today, and I'm gonna let y'all know if it tastes like the real deal. So let me go on and show y'all the ingredients you will need. I got everything, you know, laid out all nice for you. So you'll need you some vegetable oil, Tabasco, some cayenne red pepper, some paprika, some mayonnaise, some all-purpose flour, cornstarch, buttermilk, pickles, buns, some eggs, and your chicken. And you got to get chicken thighs. I guess that's the kind of chicken they use for chicken breast, so make sure you get chicken thighs, okay, y'all? So first, just want to go on and pat your chicken dry. You want to take you a nice size bowl like this. We're going to use the biggest one, and we're just going to put all our chicken in there. Just like that. Oh, make sure you wash your hands, guys. You don't want to cross-contaminate on our seasonings. So we're just gonna take a little bit of pepper. You know how Popeyes, you can see the black dots on there? You wanna make sure you put you enough pepper on there so you can see them black dots. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Oh, by the way, I don't need y'all in the comments trying to tell me how to cook my food. By the time you watch this video, I promise you I done already ate it and it's over with, okay? So just let me do what I do, you do what you do, okay? Okay, next we're gonna take some cayenne peppers. This stuff real high. I don't know how much I should put in this.
I don't think it's that. I think that might be a little spicy. It's either that, no, I think the paprika is the one that's a little kicker.
Yeah. All right. Then we're gonna take a little paprika. Oh man, I'm supposed to be washing my hands, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm gonna take a little bit of paprika, and we're just gonna put a little bit of that in there. Just to make things easier, if you use a utensil, you can, you know, oh, I'm left-handed, y'all, so let me switch. Like that. And go crazy.
Okay.
Okay. So next, it says to use Tabasco. You know, I'm from Charlotte, from North Kakalaki, we use that Texas Pete. But you know, I'm gonna use the Tabasco just because it's the recipe, I guess.
That Texas Pete do hit crazy.
Dang, see, Tabasco don't even come out right. Okay, give it a nice little flip. Guys, you wanna make sure these are nice and wet so that it sticks to our flour. Call me Chef Ken. All right, so give it another little 1, 2, 1, 2. Make sure y'all put y'all wrists in it now. All right, I think that's good enough. I hope this chicken ain't too hot now.
You making hot wings. Making hot wings.
I'm getting a little carried away. This how his look. This how his looked in the
Okay.
So next you just want to give it a little. Make sure that seasoning is nice and all around. Ooh.
You smell that, man?
Get to my nose. I might have put a little bit too much in there.
Your wrist was strong. You said with a 1, 2, 1, 2.
We might have to dampen them a little bit just to get some of the hot sauce off.
Yeah,
but next we're gonna take our flour right here, all-purpose flour, and it says to do 2 cups, but because we are professional chefs, we don't measure around here. No, I'm a little heavy-handed, y'all, but it's all good. What? It's too much. We got a lot of chicken though.
Yeah, you're right. You killing it.
Hold on. Woo.
Bless you.
That's the goddamn seasoning.
The hot sauce, that Tabasco. Yes,
next, you want to take a little bit of cornstarch. This is going to give that chicken that extra crunch.
Crisp. Oh, yeah, no measuring cups.
Yeah, no measuring cups around here. Tweezy. Tweezy, did you really just question me?
No, I did.
Okay, I'm
I
checking.
did. Nah, they probably gonna slap. They probably gonna be spicy.
Nah, they just call it the spicy chicken sandwich.
Oh, it is a spicy chicken.
Okay, I gotta check the ingredients, so we'll be back. Alright, so now we have our cornstarch in there. We're gonna take a little bit of cayenne pepper, put that in there like that. Take a little,
Ooh.
a little
Ooh.
bit of paprika. Okay, and then a little bit of salt. You want to take your nice whisk, guys. You just want to give this a stir. All right, now that we got that all mixed up, we're gonna come over here and prepare our batter for our chicken. So you want to take 2 eggs, give it a nice little
Ooh.
1, 2, like that. And we're gonna do that one more time.
1, 2.
Yes, sir. We got a little shell right there. We're just gonna scrape that out of there. Now we're gonna take a little bit of cultured buttered milk. This take me back to ooh. Now let me go on and get a fork from over here. I just want to give it a little shake, shake, shake. Shake till good. Shake till good. Give it a little shake. And I think we could add a little bit more milk. Get that nice butter taste.
Buttery
you know?
taste, yeah. Just like grandma's.
Yes. So now we're just gonna pour this right on our chicken. And what this is gonna do, when we put our chicken in the flour, it's gonna make it extra crunchy. And you're just gonna use your tongs and go crazy, go stupid. Now I think it's time to go on and turn on our stove. And while our stove is heating up, we will start putting our chicken in the batter. Oh, yeah.
There.
Calm down. So, alright, so as you know, at Popeyes, they always have the spicy mayonnaise on the sandwich along with the pickle. So we gotta make our spicy mayo. So for that, you're just gonna take you some regular mayo. Put that in there like that. That should be enough, right? Then we're gonna take a little bit of cayenne. We're gonna take a little. Okay, I guess that's enough. And then we're gonna take a little bit of Tabasco. And then we just want to give it a nice stir. That's mayo. So now we are going to place our chicken in the flour. We're gonna do about 3 pieces for the first round. The more flour, the more crunch. So we're just gonna go on and take our vegetable oil and place this in the pan. Now, let me test out this flour. Wait. Oh, I think it's ready. Never mind. All right, guys, we got our first piece of chicken. Ooh wee. I'm gonna let those sit a little bit, and then we're gonna give them up. It's really looking like the Popeyes chicken, don't it?
Bro, my man really gave out the whole recipe to the public, bro.
Really looks like it.
Flip them.
Right.
I got some fries we can eat with it.
You ugly for that. I don't know when I should flip them. He said 5 to 7 minutes. It smells smack, y'all. Okay, we're gonna give it a flip. I'm gonna let those two sit a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Might have been something.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, we're gonna go on and flip these other 2 over. Ooh.
Wow.
Those look smack.
Super golden on the top. Ah. Grease.
You felt something?
Grease popped me.
Like our chicken is done. Ooh. Hold on. Come here, little guy. Ooh. Alright guys, so we got one more batch to go. I'm gonna come back with our final product. All right, I'm gonna toast my bun a little bit. So I got the buns toasted. I'm gonna go on and put the mayonnaise, the spicy mayonnaise with the pickles on the bun. All right, you guys, so this is the finished product. We got 2 spicy chicken sandwiches, homemade, but Popeye's made, and we are done. But yeah, y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, King Killers. Mwah.